Hello everyone, welcome to another Exchange 2019 video. In the previous video we took a look at Sconfig and we showed you how to update your network settings to a static address and also where you can change your DNS. In this video we're going to take a look at showing you how to join a domain on server core compared to doing it on the GUI interface. So the first step is I need to go back into Sconfig. So Sconfig.cmd. I want to select option 1 and then I want to join a domain, not a workgroup. Enter in the domain. So it will be tlab.local. It's going to ask you for credentials for elevated user. And then a new window will appear that looks like you're not typing, but it's actually storing the password for you. So as you can see, it's now asking me, do you want to change a computer name before restarting the machine? Now you see the computer name is already what I wanted. So I click no. And then I need to click yes now to reboot. So as you can see, it's pretty simple to join a core machine to the domain. You just need to ensure that you've got the right DNS settings so that the machine can query Active Directory and then log in with an elevated account that's got access to be able to join machines to the domain. Doesn't have to be a domain admin. It can be an elevated account that's got rights to join machines to the domain or reset passwords. So just be aware that you don't have to grant your help desk domain admin rights. Once I click yes now, it will reboot. It will come back to core. Then it will ask me to log in. Compared to the earlier video that I did where it showed you that I already had a username at a command prompt because I was on a workgroup, and that's the default when you build a core machine. Unless you're building it from a template that's already got all the settings in for you, you have to manually type in everything. So if you're building these things en masse, then a template might work better for you than typing everything manually each time. Thank you very much for watching.